How to reset notification settings on your iPhone 8 Plus. If your notifications aren't working as expected, it's important to know that iPhone doesn't include a dedicated reset notification settings option. However, you can reset all system settings, which also restores your notification preferences to their default values. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Once it's back on, your notification settings, along with other system preferences like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard, and privacy settings, will be restored to their default values. Your personal data, including photos, apps, messages, files, will not be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully reset your notification settings on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.